Look around. Everything you built, every plan you made is trembling. Markets shifting overnight. Supply chains breaking like old ropes. Talent vanishing not because they want to, but because the system makes them disappear. You feel it, right? That anxiety gnawing in your gut. The fear that your business, your investments, your very relevance will be left in dust while someone else accelerates into the future. You're drowning in information, bombarded by buzzwords, but starving for real answers. Guess what? Artificial intelligence isn't just another shiny tool or a buzzword to parrot at networking events. It's a hurricane tearing down everything you thought was stable. Your old strategies? Obsolete. Your comfort zone? A trap. But here's the brutal truth. No one's coming to save you. No government, no elite committee, no magic algorithm on autopilot. The power to rewrite your fate is burning right now inside your decisions. You must explode your mindset like never before. Tear down borders, not only of countries, but of ideas and industries. The global economy is rewriting its code, and AI is the compiler. If you cling to yesterday's rules, you'll drown. You want to survive? You want to thrive? Then, stop thinking like a local player. Think like a node in an unstoppable global web of talent, capital, and ideas. Not just reaching out, but magnetizing the right connections. People who don't just think outside the box but decided the box never existed. And listen carefully. AI will obliterate routine, drain mediocrity, crush inefficiency. This isn't just automation. It's the rebirth of value. Founders, investors, leaders, stop waiting for the perfect moment or next quarter's data. Act now to harness AI as a catalyst for multidimensional transformation. Use AI not just to cut costs, but to unlock hidden markets, create hyper-personalized experiences, push innovation cycles from years to days. Bake into your DNA the fearless habit of experimenting relentlessly. Your global reach is your superpower. Seize it to tap the fastest evolving ecosystems before anyone else even notices they exist. But beware, technology alone won't save you. It's about the ruthless reinvention of self and systems. Adopt a merciless meritocracy internally. Strip down hierarchies that kill agility. Build teams that embrace constant reskilling, not just for survival, but to dominate new fields as they emerge. Create cultures that don't just tolerate diversity. They thrive on it, because in this fractured, accelerated world, every unique perspective is a lifeline. Remember, borders are mental shackles more than physical lines. Transcend them. Find your partners beyond geography, investors beyond legacy, innovators beyond tribes. The world's most explosive growth isn't in comfort zones. It's in the friction of fiery cross-border collaboration fueled by AI's ruthless intelligence. You must become more than a player in the global economy. You must become an architect of its new shape. That means embracing uncertainty as a source of power, not fear. Accelerate your ability to learn, pivot and execute with precision born from obsession, not chance. Don't ask what AI can do for you. Decide what impossible future you will force AI to build. Don't wait for global stability. Create stability in your own network, your own ecosystem, your own relentless drive. Right now, the world lies to you. says stability is security, complexity is confusion, and freedom is doing what you're told. Break those chains. The liberated individual who steps beyond the comfort of national stories and outdated systems is the one who will reshape global economies, fast and furious. The challenge is raw and ruthless, but the prize is real and immense. Dare to connect deeply. Dare to act decisively. Dare to become unstoppable. This is your moment. The AI revolution isn't waiting. Neither should you.